Abigail, where are you at?
Here.
Very good. Rafael, where did you go this morning?
Gym.
And what are you doing?
Waiting for you.
Well, we're gonna go to the movies. Dollar movies. We already worked out this morning. It's very, what would you say, a productive day, yes?
Yeah.
We never know what our life is going to look like. We don't. We can forecast, we can speculate, we can dream, we can imagine this version of our lives.
Hey.
But we really don't truly know.
It is storming.
Did you like the movie? Did you like it? Yeah, it's storming. It's raining really hard out right now. Woo! It's her favorite thing ever.
Did we bring an umbrella?
Sure didn't.
Yeah. You gotta walk in the rain.
Kinda. Daddy's gonna get the car. We're gonna get some stuff for Kitty to finally do Kitty's special surprise for her.
It's gonna be real quick. You've got a vacuum to get all the rest of the wood off of the trimming. What do you call it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So exciting.
It is.
Have you ever watched somebody do that?
Nope.
Nope. Oh, he's gonna cut it.
Dormirse en la cama, darse prisa en tu alma, ratoncito en el club, no heroica, club, club, club.
Hi guys. Today we made this. And the starting of the morning.
I got this for Rafael and Abigail, and Daddy has yet to hang it because we just got it yesterday, but...
We don't need it to be hung up.
Well, maybe not. Maybe we'll just leave it right there so you can pick it up. But Rafael and Abigail drew this. Do you love it?
Abigail didn't draw it. I did.
Oh, just Rafael. Good job, Rafael.
Because I knew she was going to mess it up.
Oh, well, she can draw her own, yeah?
Yeah.
You got big erasers. I bought them a bunch of pins. This was an 8-piece set. I bought them a magnetic
Abigail.
cup.
Come here. Let's go get your board.
This board came with these two
Let's go
magnets
get your board, Abigail.
and an eraser and the 2 clips with the pins.
Let's get your board.
I don't need my board.
No,
I can look at it.
Hold on. Let Daddy see it first, and then you can redraw something, okay?
On this?
Yeah, Don't touch it, though.
No, not on that. On the other.
Daddy, look what your son drew you.
My son drew me something? Oh, it's this new board? Hearts with love, love. Love you, Mommy and Daddy. Oh, that's so cute, Rafael. Thank you.
I made a lot of stuff on it. A lot
You
of
did?
hearts. Yeah.
Wow.
Move out of the way.
Well, that whiteboard is already getting put to good use. That's good. We're gonna hang it here?
Well, I thought we would hang it, but he said he didn't want it hung, so maybe, I don't know.
I
It's
don't
fine.
agree with
It's
that.
fine without it hung.
I know it's fine for you, but it's on a white rug, and we always like stuff off the floor in
Yeah.
case something drops,
We
in
have
case something
to
happens.
vacuum,
case we
keep
have
the
to
floor
move through here.
clean.
Alright, here.
Put that back. No!
Abigail!
That's okay. I got a picture of it, Rafael. Don't worry. I got a picture of it right here. See?
Our memories will never fade.
Yes. We will see everything.
Building Kitty's toilet integrated into the house rather than in the bathroom. So step number 1, drill a hole and make sure it's good for us. Step number 2, we're gonna put a cat door there, and we're gonna do it from the inside. Of course, we had to get a shelf, so we had the shelf cut out. We're gonna put brackets on it. This is where the hole is. So instead of having the cat bathroom right there, Kitty's gonna have a cat door. This is gonna be here, and she can just go outside and do her business there.
Ratoncito le gusta danza cuando estudió en la escuela. Pajarita se cubre botín cuando visita a su abuela. Si necesita una amiga, debe hablar con ratoncito. Si quiere ser mi amante, debe ser alta y delgadita. Lunes, martes, ratones, pez. Miércoles, jueves, todo.
Kitty!
Kitty doesn't like it. Yeah, she doesn't like it.
It's her first time ever.
Yeah, this is heavy, but...
Every day after school, Floppy went out to play with his friends. Floppy's friends were all sizes and colors. They only ever played with the rabbits who looked like them. I wish we could all play together, thought Floppy. Floppy didn't drop the carrot once, not even when he dropped on one leg. Next, Floppy played fly a kite with the gray rabbits. Up, up and away, chanted Floppy. But watch your landing. Then, Floppy played leapfrog with the brown rabbits. Remember when I said I'm gonna put another light on so it looks even better on the vlogs? I use these LED T8s in the garage. You've seen us use them here, flush. Now it's flush over here, and you can see how I even have a reflection on me now because there's so much light. Another angle. So even more light. More light. Not enough light. More light for higher definition. Very inexpensive and a very efficient way to light yourself up. If you're doing like a light stage or filming or anything like that, I would highly recommend that. It's really easy and simple and awesome. Farm door shop because we have a spring-loaded door and it's really aggressive. So if someone goes out and then someone else comes back in, it used to just bang on you, but now you can hear the air. It's very good compression. That's number 1 application, and the number 2 application is right here, where you can just press that and it holds, because that's another thing with the spring. With the spring, we have a condition, right, Rafael? Every time someone has to open the door and keep it open for everyone, or we have to take the spring off of there, which only I can do. No, you don't have to press it. All you have to do is just push it out of the way, but we don't touch the screen, we touch the wood. So you push it away and it just shuts. Press it. Press, Rafael. Rafael, press where you were. Press where you were with your foot. Press it. Click it in there. Click it in there. There you go. And then it just stays.
Wow.
Yeah, this was inexpensive as well. I think Andrea got it at Aldi or maybe Lowe's. And it's one of these really trivial upgrades that make your life that much easier, that much better, with ease. Oh, you like that too, huh? You like that too? And all it takes is just a touch, and off it goes. And that's another handle we put on for Abigail the other day. This right here is drying. It's what we use for Kitty. Yes, she wants to play. We haven't played today, huh? The crazy amounts of rain, I also wanted to show you real quick the different mushrooms that we are having right now. We're experiencing mushrooms. It's absolutely amazing. I've never seen anything like it. It's awesome. Roo. That's how we play. And all the running, but I actually expend more energy than she does. Here you go. Oh, that didn't sound good. Are you okay, Rudy? Come here. Come here. Come here, girl. You gonna sit? You gonna sit? Oh, you gonna lie down for us? That's nice. That's cute. Alright, ready to go. Come on. It's getting stormy. Let's go inside. Only in Florida you can have the blue skies, and then you can have that kind of weather following it, and you might not be able to see it with the tree, but it's yellow. Just to wrap things up, Katie decided to come into our catio. We have reinforced this. Andrea did that project. So old screen, new screen. Thank you. I'm gonna go to Gainesville, but I think we're gonna pass on Gainesville because it's getting that stormy. It's pretty bad out there. It's given us a lot of trouble here compared to Israel. We had to cancel a lot of things we were gonna do just because of the storms that they flood, like flash flood right real quick. And you can't even see. And Andrea probably told you a story about that too one time. So we'll continue to do that.
Oh, I can't believe I got it right.
Backwards. Kitty.
Is that all you got to say about that?
Okay, it's been several hours later.